Perfect.
What's going on, guys? I know it has been a while, but I'm back and I hope you guys are having a great day. As of right now, you guys already know I am going to be installing the new roof rack on the truck finally, and I was lucky enough to be able to get the HERETIC 6 Studio 40-inch light bar to go with it. And as you guys already know, Kenny's going to be helping me out with this install. So we're going to head over to Best Buy real quick. Make sure I got my mask. And let's head out. You guys already know I had to get us some candle for the install. Got a lot. Don't know exactly how long this is all gonna take. Guys, I could not wait for Kenny to finish up, so I wanted to take a little sneak peek. Check this out. Look at how good this looks. Woo. If that isn't beautiful, I don't know what is. This is
Perfect.
wow. Alrighty guys, so this was definitely more of a headache than I thought it would be. Everybody else that I have seen install this rack and the light bar and whatnot has made it look very, very easy, but it takes time. I've probably been at this maybe around 3.5 to 4 hours, and I'm barely getting to the wiring part. And I know this is not really a how-to video, this is just letting you guys know what I'm doing. I'll put a few links down below to videos of how to do it, but I just didn't have time to record today, even though it's taking all day. It looks amazing. Right now we are getting all the wiring done right here. So as you can see, we already tying everything up, making it look a little bit better. She's got to hook everything up. This wire is pretty thick, so it doesn't really fit all the way, but not a big deal. We got it most of the way down, so you can kind of tell right here, but to me that doesn't really matter, you know. It's just a little piece. Yeah, it bothers me a little bit, but not enough to, I don't know, I don't really care about it. But again, we're wiring this up, fish through. We're gonna go ahead and connect the temporary wire until I get my switch panel, which will be another video, but it's gonna go right here. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it's super dark outside and it is time to go ahead and test out this light bar, see if it's worth all the hype. Okay guys, so as you can tell, the lights are off. This is with the LED bar on. As you guys can see, it is super bright. That is crazy. All right, guys, that was crazy. Super happy with all the results. The light bar is just amazing. It looks awesome, super clean. The roof rack looks amazing. And overall, just super happy. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I should hopefully be able to bring you guys more content just more consistently. Been super slammed with work, but I'm gonna try to get more videos up. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and have a great day, guys.